Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post TikTok videos at the best times for your viewers. Alright, so I'm in TikTok, I'm in my profile. You'll get here by tapping on the profile picture on the bottom right hand side of your screen, and here you'll hit the three lines on the top right, and here you will look for TikTok Studio. If you don't have TikTok Studio, go ahead and download it. It gives you a bunch more insights than you would normally just have on TikTok. Okay, here you're going to look for analytics. It's right at the top. Tap on that, and at the top there's a bar that says inspiration, overview, content. Scroll to the right, you'll see followers. Tap on that. Here, choose your day range. I'm going to choose for the last 28 days because people have different trends at different times of the year. So 28 days is a good way to do this. And here you can see some metrics. So you've got our total followers, we've got insights, so your male, female, other, divide. Then we have most active times. Here we can see most active times over here is between 12 a.m. and 1 a.m. Most active days, well, here you can see within this timeline over here that the 14th, 15th, and 16th, and what you can actually do here is go and have a look at what days those are and see if you want to post every week on those days. Now you can click over here on that little icon over there, and it says the average times your followers are active on TikTok. Now this is average, of course. However, you are able to just use this to guide you as to when a best time is to post.